Me, Sadie, the brown dog, and Lenaya, the peace and love puppy. And I have 12 of my Webkinz right now. So yeah, I have 20 right now. I have 12 of them. I don't know if you know most of them, so I'm just going to introduce them to you. And me and Lenaya are best friends, by the way, if you didn't know. I don't know if you knew that, but yay! I'm going to show you. This is Holly, the black and white, or not black and white, domino cat. I always get that mixed up. I'm not sure if you know her, but this is Fifi, the white poodle. Or just poodle. He's so fluffy. This is Claire. She's my black bear. Her name's Claire. This is her jewelry I made. You know her. This is Leela. Yeah. You know, I got a puffer fish. And his name is Nemo. So yeah. I got other new Webkinz too, but those are somewhere else. So yeah. I'm just really excited. My Webkinz. And I'm not filming with a camera, so if the quality is like bad or whatever, that's why. Because I got a phone for Christmas. Oh my god, guys. There's a snowstorm outside, and tomorrow I want to go play in it. And today was a snow day, so we're just trying to. Oh my gosh. Look at outside. Look at all the snow. It might be hard to see on camera. I want to go outside and play in there so much. I was gonna see how windy it is. 1 second. It's so windy. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna make my videos at least 5 minutes. Unless I'm doing like skits or scenes and stuff. This is my Webkinz shelf that has been. I made Sadie and Lenaya friendship necklaces. Snow. Like snow. What was that? There's just snow. I love snow. So pretty. Look, the wind is like literally all white and oh my butt's getting wet. I'm sorry, that was strange. I think I just got snow on my bed. Oh, whatever. It's so pretty though. The other day it snowed like really hard, so it was just like there was snow making the trees like get lower. So yeah, I think there's someone outside. Snow on my bed. Let me close this. The window's all foggy. What I did when I didn't have my Webkinz was I just played Webkinz and stuff on my phone. I don't know what okay, but yeah, I have like 20 Webkinz. I made this thing that's on my window. I don't know, I'm really bored. Like 5 to 7 minute videos. So yeah. I'll probably make more videos like one. There's like this snow wave in my backyard and I don't think you can see it. And there's like one little spot that has like no snow on it at all. But soon it will. You can see it, it's like right there's like no snow. And we all had built snowmans, but or snowmen. They all fell over, and then there's like a snow wave thing right there. I don't know what they're called. That's just what I call them. I will save you, saidie. Okay, maybe I need saving. Yeah, maybe you do. Anyways, yeah. Well, aren't you nice? I'm sorry, this is the way you put me down. Ugh. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Bye.